Overheating and maintenance problems can be caused by traffic. There's a new solution, the free Breeze Accelerator, and it's easy to install. Here we are installing the free Breeze Accelerator underneath a vehicle using 4 heavy-duty self-tapping screws of your choice. Remember, when installing this product, make sure it is not obstructing any steering or suspension components. Do not use the included screws. They are for window attachments only. Always clean the surface before attaching the Velcro to set the free Breeze Accelerator. This makes it so much easier to attach the 4 heavy-duty screws. As you can see, this is designed to force air into the engine compartment from 2 directions, front to back and back to front. This will help cool down electronic components and keep them from getting so hot. By forcing fresh air into the engine compartment, this does several things. Displaces heat, which can break down plastic, adds oxygen to the engine, helping it burn cleaner, which reduces high emissions, giving it that oomph. For more information, visit us on the web at freebreezetv.com or find us on Facebook.